So now that you have this running, you need CHT conf to ensure that you can make modifications, upload configurations to your CHT application. Once you ensure everything on localhost is running well, you're now ready to install CHT project configure or CHT conf. And I'll do that using npm. So I'll just type npm install, select the global option, CHT conf, enter. So now I've seen everything has installed. There are no errors. You can now type CHT version to check the version of CHT conf you're on. You can type CHT help to check the different commands that you can use. So so I'll go ahead and install PyX form using pip, and I'll run this as a super user so that I have all the necessary permissions. You can check the documentation or the notes that are provided to get all the commands you need depending on the operating system that you're using. One of the fast actions that I have available to me is to set up a blank project that would create the necessary files for me to start building forms, building tasks, building targets, and so on. And so to do that, since I'm already in my project folder, I could just type CHT initialize project layout. So what this does is it creates the framework that I would use to start building my CHT application. And if I look at the files that I've now created, I'll see an app settings folder, I'll see a forms folder, I'll see a resources folder, tasks.js file, contact summary.js, I'll see resources.json, translations, and targets.js. So all these folders and files are necessary to start building your applications, because this is where you'll be adding your code, you'll be adding your XLS files, and everything else that you need as you develop your CHT application.